Value of 1 Dogecoin and 5,000 Dogecoins in 5 years to come. Currently, Dogecoin is trading at 12 cents as of the time of creating this video. In this video, we will look at the value of Dogecoin in 5 years to come. Let's say by 2027, what will be the price of Dogecoin? In January 2013, Dogecoin was trading at $0.00025546. That means, a $500 investment then would have given you about 2 million coins of Dogecoin. Now the value of 2 million coins of Dogecoin is $240,000 using the current price of Dogecoin as of the time of creating this video. That is the importance of buying coins when they are very low and selling them when they are high. Now, with an investment of $500, one can buy 5,000 coins of Dogecoin, and in this video, we are looking at the worth of 5,000 coins in the next 5 years to come. Before I continue, I would love to welcome you to my channel, and please kindly subscribe in order not to miss my next videos and more crypto predictions. So many websites and professionals have given their predictions of Dogecoin, and Doge's future looks amazing. Considering Dogecoin has the backing of the world's richest man Elon Musk, and also recently, some companies have started accepting Dogecoin. Ukraine's government also tweeted they will start accepting meme coins Doge and Shiba Inu for donation during the crises between Ukraine and Russia. Dogecoin has over 3 million Twitter followers and a large community. Dogecoin is also among the top 15 cryptocurrencies with the highest market cap. The current coin market cap ranking is number 13, with a live market cap of $16,602,240,381 as of the time of recording this video. In 5 years to come, after we checked the fundamental analysis of Dogecoin and technical analysis together. In 5 years to come, by the end of 2027, the value of Dogecoin will be trading with a minimum rate of $7.50 and a maximum rate of $10.30 by the end of 2027. But note that the success of Dogecoin will be closely intertwined with Elon Musk's passion for it. Musk began tweeting more about Dogecoin in early 2021, and we hope the billionaire and founder of Tesla continue to promote the first ever meme coin and, if possible, start accepting Doge payment for most of his companies. The truth is, if Elon stops supporting Dogecoin today, then the value of Dogecoin might even drop 70% value. But from the look of things, Elon is strongly behind Dogecoin and will keep promoting and supporting the meme coin for now. Please, subscribe and turn on the notification, because all we do here is talk about Dogecoin and crypto predictions. This video is provided for information purposes, and please kindly do your research before buying any crypto coins. Thank you for the watch.